Hello and namaste. I am Yuvraj Shide, founder and director of Trade Binary Technologies India Private Limited. We are here today to introduce you to our product, which will resolve multiple problems that you as a service consumer gave up on. The product is called CloudATP. Before we get into the product details, I would like to cover a little bit of a background regarding the problem that we are trying to address here. In the modern world, industries using e-commerce technologies like FMCG, distribution, or other B2B and B2C businesses are under increasing pressure to provide seamless, real-time customer experiences. A critical part of this experience is the available to promise process. This enables businesses to commit to customers for the product availability at the time to order. The conventional approach to ATP is heavily reliant on direct real-time calls to SAP ERP systems for each customer request. While this may work for smaller or lower volume systems, it quickly becomes inefficient and impractical in high demand B2C environments. Every time a customer places an order or checks product availability, SAP ERP system is connected or contacted for the ATP calculations. This results in network congestion and system bottlenecks. As a result, businesses experience delayed responses, causing frustration for customers, loss of potential business, and ultimately leading to subpar customer experience. In addition to these technical and operational challenges, the complexity of integrating SAP ERP systems with other applications used by businesses, such as third party app platforms, other management systems, or customer facing portals, makes it even more difficult to scale and maintain these systems efficiently. Thus, there is a clear need for a scalable, flexible, and performance optimized solution to handle ATP requests. These requests should be handled in a way that meets the demands of modern e-commerce or other sales platforms without overloading the existing SAP ERP infrastructure. And this brings us to our very own product, Cloud ATP. Our Cloud ATP solution leverages the powerful capabilities of the SAP Business Technology Platform, very well known as BTP. Our offering is robust, scalable, and flexible API that seamlessly integrates with third-party applications hosted on any platform. The solution eliminates the performance bottlenecks associated with traditional ERP systems by implementing ATP logic independently on the BTP platform. This ensures faster response times and improving overall system performance. As part of the solution's design, we follow SAP's recommended side-by-side design pattern, ensuring that our solution operates independently without affecting or modifying the core processes of the existing ERP system. The side-by-side approach allows businesses to continue running their ERP processes while integrating our ATP logic seamlessly in parallel. This improves performance without the need for complex reconfigurations or overhauling core systems. The solution also offers users the ability to customize and enhance the product with configurable hooks, enabling them to build and deploy their own APIs on any platform. This enables a future-proof, adaptable solution that can cater to the diverse and evolving business needs of today's digital landscape. Going forward, I would request my colleague, Mr. Praveen Padi, to take over the solution-related details forward. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Praveen Padhi and I'm a senior technical consultant at Red Binary Technologies. Okay, so now what we see on the screen is the Cloud ATP solution architecture. And as already described by Yuvraj, Cloud ATP solution is built on Business Technology Platform, BTP. Now I'm going to walk you through the architecture diagram. Let us first understand the different types of users involved here. So first would be the customers or clients who has subscribed to Cloud ATP. They will be able to configure the app and they will also have access to the cockpit. The second ones are the service consumers to whom customers would like to integrate this service with. Service consumers could be, for example, SAP Commerce Cloud, or any SAP or non-SAP cloud solutions, or for that matter, any third-party APIs. They can consume the Cloud ATP service to get the ATP results. Before we talk about Cloud ATP service built on the SAP Cloud Foundry runtime, let us go through the setup required to execute the Cloud ATP service. So the only thing that needs to be done here is the data replication. The data replication is done from SAP S/4HANA to SAP HANA Cloud. Therefore, we have an instance of HANA Cloud as database layer on BTP. This database instance stores the application data within a schema. And this HANA Cloud instance interacts with SAP DataSphere. SAP DataSphere handles the data replication between the cloud and the on-prem solutions via a cloud connector. It has replication flows, which ensures that data remains synchronized between the HANA Cloud and SAP on-prem systems at regular intervals, or it can also be customized. So the beauty of data replication methodology here is that it comes with very minimal effort for customers, as the Cloud ATP requires only implementing predefined CDC-enabled CDS views in the on-prem system. And then this could be consumed by DataSphere for both full and delta loads. Then comes the very important part, that is the SAP Cloud Foundry runtime. It is a cloud-native platform as a service offering within SAP BTP that hosts applications like our main Cloud ATP service. So imagine a commerce cloud application that needs to check real-time stock availability or maybe determine a delivery date for a customer order. So instead of handling the complex backend calculations, it can simply call our Cloud ATP service. The Cloud ATP API service is a Node.js application that runs on the Cloud Foundry, and it instantly processes the API requests that are coming from consumers without calling the SAP S/4HANA, ensuring accurate stock visibility and reliable delivery commitments. Then we have the SAP Build Work Zone. It provides access to the Launchpad for viewing and managing Fiori applications designed for the SAP Cloud solution. In this, we have the ATP Scope configuration application, and it also consists of application for customer API extension configuration. Basically, here business can configure and connect APIs built on any platform, seamlessly enhancing Cloud ATP's capabilities to meet the specific needs. And then for logs, we have SAP Cloud Logging instance, which provides monitoring and logging capabilities. It captures logs related to the request and responses, system events, then errors and performance issues as well. Then the last thing is the SAP Authorization and Trust Management service, along with the SAP Cloud Identity services, which is being used basically for the overall authentication part. So it ensures that only the authorized users and applications can access the Cloud ATP resources. So in order to access the Cloud ATP service, first the token is generated, and then this token is used to call the Cloud ATP service. So that wraps up the overview of our Cloud ATP architecture, covering all the key components and the seamless integration. Thank you all for your time and attention.